Hello everybody, it's Whisper, and today I'm starting a new series. It's basically an MSP version of What Would You Do? So today we're going to see how people react to Ellie 101 being rude and cruel to a gay trans man. And we've already tried this twice, so we're going to just try it again. I gotta find a lively chat. This looks lively. It looks lively. It's lively! There's people! There's people! Ugh, I'm so alone. OMG, me too. Why did that girl follow me? Okay, that's fine though. Come on, Ellie. Come into the chat. Good boy. Ooh! North America. Oof! I'm by the pink fox. I like this dude. He's pretty cool. So, we're already in, and Ellie's over there. She's not saying anything yet. Oh, hi! Hey, don't copy me. Oh. I'm a rat. Oh my gosh. Woof. Woof. Okay, so she's gonna reload. I don't know why that was so funny. She's gonna reload, so until then, I'm just gonna pause the recording. So she's back online. She's gonna come to Cotton Calf. And I can't invite her because I've already invited her. See, I'm not trying to be rude. See. She just happened to follow me again, and I don't know why. Excuse me, that's not appropriate for YouTube. Don't get me demonetized. I don't want to hear about your cigarette ashes. I know I'm hot. God. Oh, I'm a bad Batish. Same. I don't think I have any other animations. I was right. Hey, people! Hi! Oof. This dude right here. Yes, hello. Hello, new best friend. How are you today? You're going good? Good, that's good. Still by, I'm by the pink fox. Still in the same spot. We gonna wait for her. She back. Oh, what did I just do to my poor headphones? Do you want to turn on sticky keys? So we're gonna see how this pink fox reacts to her being rude. And yeah. So that's just life. Oh my god, I've seen him in the same chat. Okay, me and this dude right here, this one right here, have been in the same chat for like hours now. Well, I mean, if you'd add me. Oh, hey. Do it. Oh. So, Pink Fox is having no reaction. Which is surprising. I know, right? Like, why isn't that guy paying attention? I'm triggered too. JK, I don't want a GF. Gah! So, I mean, I guess no one reacts to it when you're being rude to someone. They're just like, okay, fuck you. That's kind of rude. That's kind of rude. If one person will say something, you know, that would... My mom is kind of... What happened? I'll tell you what happened, Mr. Calvin King. Okay, so I guess people don't care about other people on here anymore. Like, teens that are all around the same age. Like, bro, I stick up to boys, so... Oh, hey look, we got a runner. I mean, they're noticing. They are. Finally. Oh, hey girl, ain't nobody care that you single, but Summer Sky 100, she's single. Go kill yourself, okay. Girl. Hey girl, I can't see what you're writing. Hey girl, you're basic. Does he have save chat? Oh, that poor baby. Tell that guy to move. They're like hurting my poor baby. I'm not talking to you. So, this is interesting. I mean, how was your day, guys? Still nothing's happening. The only person to react was Calvin King. Can't save anymore. Oh, no. He said rude. Oh, he's mad now. He's mad now. We've made the dude mad. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, this is funny. And that's just uncalled for. Agreed. Oh. Haley 10517 is also single. Go hit her up. Nah, I want to see a real reaction. This is amusing. This is amusing me. Okay. If I could spell. He hates me. Oh no. Look, you signed up for this. When he's perfectly fine. Oh. Really? Yeah. It's gonna go on YouTube. I'm kind of surprised. Be the surprised. Hey, YouTube! So, yes, this is the hero. The James01 with the little arrows. You can see his username right here. He is the hero. She's just kind of there. She didn't really say anything, so it's fine. But, yeah. So, bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed this social experiment, even though it took us a really long time to get any reaction. See ya.